Hello everyone and welcome to Rice Cooker Baking with Life of Pang. Today's recipe will be purple sweet potato chiffon cake. You will need about 3 to 4 potatoes depending on the size. I will slice and cube mine for faster cooking. Cook it however you like, but I will steam mine in the rice cooker. If you plan to steam in the rice cooker as well, keep an eye on your rice cooker because the minute it goes into warm, you want to unplug it and then let it cool. Wipe down your tools with lemon juice or vinegar to remove any oil residues and separate 3 room temperature eggs, however you like. I'm going to puree mine in this blender, but you can also use a food processor or whatever tools you have. Puree and pulse until it's smooth, about 30 to 40 seconds. Wiping tools and bowl of oil residue will make the egg whites whip up faster. Again, make sure your egg whites are at room temperature. You're going to beat this for 30 seconds and then add the cream of tartar. Beat it for another 30 seconds, and then add half of the sugar. Beat that for another 30 seconds, then add all the sugar. I also have important tips and baking guidelines at the end of each video, so make sure you watch to the end. And you want to keep beating this until you get a stiff peak. That can be anywhere from 2 to 4 minutes. I'm using this taro flavoring because the potatoes are not that flavorful. You can skip it if you want. I'm also adding some color to brighten up my cake. Did you know I have the full written recipe and instruction in the description box below? Expand the description box after you watch the video for written recipe and oven baking instructions. And this is regular rice flour, not glutinous rice flour. Mix this until well combined, about 2 minutes or so. Now add 1/3 of the whipped egg white and fold it until well combined, about 1 minute. Pour this batter into the egg white bowl. Then slowly fold in one direction. This will prevent too much bubbles from developing. This is my real-time pace here. I did not slow down any of it. And it took me about 1.5 minutes to incorporate the batter. You can line your pot or pan, but do not oil it. Otherwise, your cake will not rise. Tap it a few times to distribute the batter and to release any air bubbles. I'm going to top it with more potato. This is optional. Cover with a paper towel to catch condensation and let's bake. Now one bake cycle is 5 minutes in hot heat in the cooked status and 25 minutes in warm heat in the warm status. Mine did take 2 bake cycles, which is 60 minutes. And my toothpick is coming out clean, so that means we're done baking. Cool it for about 30 minutes. Oops, I did not loosen the side here. You'll have to do this to get the cake out. You watched the video this far, so you must like it. Please click that like button and do share the recipe with your friends and family. And comment below and let me know what you think about this cake. Would you make it? If this is the first time you're watching my video, welcome. I really appreciate that you click on this video. But make sure you do hit that subscribe button, that way you don't miss any new recipes. I do put out a new recipe every week. Oh, there's lots of bubbles in this one. The cake is moist and crumbly, but it still tastes pretty good, and definitely a different kind of cake. Interested in seeing something bake in the rice cooker? Comment it below. If you'd like to support my channel further, use my link below, and I really appreciate your support. Do watch more videos, click on my rice cooker playlist on the bottom left corner of the screen.